Looking to grow something that's both delicious and beautiful? You're in for a treat. In this video, we're exploring edible plants that look beautiful in your garden. These are not just tasty additions to your meals. They're also eye-catching centerpieces for your garden beds. Let's dig in. Swiss chard is a showstopper in any garden, thanks to its rainbow-colored stems that come in vibrant reds, yellows, oranges, and pinks. The large, glossy leaves add texture and structure to garden beds, almost like a decorative ornamental plant. But don't be fooled. This beauty is 100% edible. The leaves can be sautéed, steamed, or added to soups, much like spinach, and the stalks are slightly sweet and crunchy. It's not just versatile in the kitchen, it's also cold-tolerant, making it ideal for cooler climates. Swiss chard grows well in USDA zones 3 through 10, which means most gardeners can enjoy it. What makes it extra special is how long it lasts in the garden. It's a cut-and-come-again crop, so you can harvest it repeatedly without removing the whole plant. That means long-lasting color and food. Talk about garden efficiency. Nasturtiums are a gardener's favorite, not only for their bright, cheerful blooms, but also for how easy they are to grow. The round leaves look like lily pads, and the vibrant flowers, from golden yellow to fiery red, attract pollinators like crazy. But here's the fun part. Everything is edible. The peppery leaves can be tossed into salads, and the flowers make an elegant garnish. Even the seed pods can be pickled and used like capers. They're a culinary gem hiding in plain sight. These plants grow best in USDA zones 9 to 11 as perennials, but in cooler zones, they can be grown as annuals. They do especially well in poor soil, and they can trail or climb, making them great for containers, trellises, or borders. Redbor kale is not your average leafy green. Its deep purple, ruffled leaves add a dramatic contrast to any green-heavy garden. It's often grown just for its looks, and we totally get why. But it also packs a nutritional punch. This type of kale is perfect for salads, stir-fries, or even baked into crispy kale chips. It holds up well in cool temperatures and actually gets sweeter after a light frost. USDA zones 3 through 9 are ideal for growing Redbor kale. Whether you're designing a decorative border or looking to add height and texture, Redbor kale brings both form and function. Plus, kids might be more curious to try eating something that looks so bold and unique. Purple basil brings deep, almost black foliage to the garden, a gorgeous contrast to the usual green herbs. It's fragrant, flavorful, and incredibly ornamental. Whether in a flower bed or herb spiral, it draws attention. The flavor is similar to sweet basil, though sometimes slightly spicier. You can use it in pesto, salads, or even infused into vinegar for a visually striking result. And yes, it smells just as amazing as it looks. Though it's a tender annual in most regions, purple basil thrives in USDA zones 9 to 11. In cooler areas, it can be grown as an annual or in pots that can be brought indoors. Lavender is a classic beauty with its silvery green foliage and fragrant purple flower spikes. Most people grow it for the scent alone, but it's also a versatile edible herb. You can infuse the buds into teas, desserts, or syrups, giving your dishes a subtle floral note. It's a key ingredient in herbes de Provence and works wonderfully with baked goods or lemonade. Lavender thrives in USDA zones 5 through 9 and loves well-drained sandy soil. Besides being drought-tolerant, it attracts pollinators and repels pests, making it a useful companion plant too. Ornamental peppers are small but mighty. These compact plants produce colorful, upright fruits in shades of red, yellow, orange, and even purple, all on the same plant sometimes. They're like little fireworks in your garden. While primarily grown for visual appeal, these peppers are edible, though very hot. Use them in cooking if you love spice, or dry them to make your own chili powder. They grow best in USDA zones 9 to 11, but can be grown as annuals elsewhere. Try planting them along borders or in containers for a pop of color that also serves a culinary purpose. Rosemary is more than a fragrant herb. It's also a stunning evergreen shrub with needle-like leaves and small blue flowers. It adds structure and a Mediterranean feel to any garden. In the kitchen, rosemary pairs well with roasted vegetables, meats, and even bread. It's also great for making infused oils and herbal teas. The smell alone is worth planting it, fresh, piney, and invigorating. Rosemary does best in USDA zones 7 to 10, thriving in sunny spots with well-drained soil. Once established, it's drought-tolerant and low maintenance, a must-have for edible landscaping. Carrots are usually hidden underground, but rainbow carrots make the wait worth it. Their feathery green tops add softness to the garden, while the roots below grow in unexpected shades like purple, yellow, white, and even red. These colorful varieties taste just as sweet, or sweeter, than the typical orange kind. They're a fun surprise for kids and a delight on the dinner plate. Rainbow carrots grow in USDA zones 3 to 10. Just be sure to give them loose, well-drained soil for those roots to develop nicely. With a little patience, you'll pull up edible jewels from beneath the surface. Artichokes are architectural plants with silvery, serrated leaves that look like they belong in a sculpture garden. When allowed to flower, they produce stunning purple thistle-like blooms, a real showpiece. But the edible part is the flower bud, usually harvested before it opens. Steamed or grilled, artichokes are a gourmet treat, and growing your own means you can enjoy the freshest version possible. Artichokes thrive in USDA zones 7 to 11. In cooler climates, they can be grown as annuals or overwintered with care. They're a great focal point for an edible landscape. Unlike the big, juicy strawberries you find in stores, Alpine strawberries produce small, sweet berries with an intense aroma. Their delicate white flowers and compact size make them perfect for borders or containers. These plants bear fruit continuously through the season, and their cute little red berries are great for snacking or garnishing desserts. Bonus, they attract pollinators and kids alike. Alpine strawberries grow well in USDA zones 4 to 9. They don't spread aggressively like other strawberries, making them easy to manage in tidy garden designs. Who says you can't have beauty and function in your garden? These edible plants prove you can enjoy a vibrant, colorful space that feeds both your body and your soul. Which one are you planting this season? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more garden inspiration.